In this video, we shall see static single assignment or SSA form of 3 address code in compiler design. So what is SSA? In this form, all the variables are defined or assigned exactly once. Means in the 3 address code, whenever we will write the equations like t equals to a operand b, so here in this t in the whole set of equations must occur exactly once. After that we may use t2, t3 in the left hand side if we want to denote the variable, same variable, and we can use unlimited time in the right hand side. But in the left hand side of TAC, a variable should occur exactly once. So all the variables are defined or assigned exactly once in SSA form. Now what are the rules? If LHS has the same variable as previous, then use a new variable. That is, suppose I am having here t equals to a operator b. Again it is showing t equals to a operator c. So here instead of writing t, I should write here t1 or t2, like that. So if a same variable occurs as previous, then we should use a new variable, like increase the number by 1, like t1, t2 and so on. Whenever whenever the control flow chooses a variable, use phi function to merge. For this we need to see this example. So here suppose a boolean x is true. Now if a is greater than 5, x is equals to the previous value of x and false, then print x. So here x value depends on this. If this condition is true, then we need to AND with false, and ultimately x value will become false because true and false is false. But if this value is false, then this value or x, this block is not executed and thus x value is true. So due to the control flow, that is how it is flowing, the control is flowing depending upon the if statement. Whenever the control flow chooses a variable, use the phi function to merge. Means when we are writing 3 address code for this statement print x, here instead of x or x1, x2, we need to write phi of this variable and this variable. Like here, suppose this is the TAC, this is not the exact 3 address code, but suppose if this is the SSA form of TAC, then first here x is equals to true, then the if statement go to L1. In L1 a new variable, because again I cannot write x. In SSA form, LHS should be a new variable, not a repetitive one. So x1 is equals to the previous x value and false. And here while printing I need to do x2 is equals to phi of x and x1. So this will merge. Depending upon this condition, this variable will change. X2 variable will be printed accordingly. So coming to example, this was asked in 2016 GATE CAC. Total number of variables, means the variables that are already there and including the temporary variables in the SSA form. So these are my instructions. So first we can start with x1 is equals to u minus t. Then y1 is equals to x. This x belongs to this one, means here I need to write x1 into v. Then x, I cannot write x or x1, I need to write x2, the next of this, is equals to y plus w. Here y means this y, means the just next whatever I have used. Here it is y1 plus w. Again y. So here I need to write y1, it is y2, is equals to t minus z. There is no t here, no z here, therefore we can directly write t minus z. Here again y is equals to x star y. Here y I cannot write y2, I have to write y3 is equals to x. The nearest x is this one or this, x2 into y. The nearest y is this or y2. So total number of variables here are x1 u t, y1 v, x2 w, y2 z, y3. So these are 10 variables. So this was numeric type, answer is 10.